Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Lisa, and today I'm going to be working on my fall journal. I pulled some pockets and tags to kind of add to what I had put in there already. So I actually might finish it up today, except for I'm probably going to want to do a topper on this, which would be a whole separate video because I have no idea yet what I would do on it. But it seems like a topper would be a great thing to put on here because it's kind of a simple cover. And then maybe, depending on the topper, putting eyelets and ribbon to close it. So there might be another video, or I might just finish it off offline and then show it at the end. But yeah, so I'm thinking the inside should be done after today's video. Okay, so I have pulled together, like this is like a flip pocket, and this is an over the top pocket, and a couple other pockets to go in here. So let's see, and then I've got the tags to go there. So I was thinking, so cute. That. So I did put, I should find it first. I did put my last video with the Margaret Miller, or the Roxy's Weekly Challenge video. I did put a couple of these flips that I'd like to put in here. So I have found a spot for them because I wanted to put them in a specific spot. So should have turned this over. Sorry. So we'll just say, how's it going today? Hopefully your day's going well. Hopefully your day's not like my squeeze bottle that seemed to have better days. Here we go. Okay. Here we are. Okay. I got one more on the other side. So I'm going to flip the fabric over, and I've got the tag part on the other side. So I know that it is against the wall of the page. This is the Edith Holden book page that I cut a little bit smaller, but I thought it would be cute to have that as, because it's just decorative. It is not meant to be journaled on or anything, just to add a little decoration, and I thought that looked okay next to the leaves. Okay, now I have the other one in the back half of the journal. So let's track that down. There it is, my little fox. All right, so this one I'm going to put on here, and I thought this would be good because writing space will be open, and this was just, this could be writing space too, so I'm really not blocking too much for it. There we go. Oh, my tummy's starting to rumble. I'm getting close to dinner time. Yes, it is. There we go. Yeah, so that'll flip out and be good to go. Okay. All right, so back to the pockets. All right, so I got one there. I got a little pocket there. So this one could use one. Or maybe I do it there. I think maybe I like it there. Because then the red, yeah. Okay, so this, all right, I think I'm done with my fabric tack, so I'm gonna put that away. This I'm going to use as a side tuck. So we're going to put that, yeah, just put a little glue on there. Make sure it's flat on there before I push it down. Okay. All right, so this side can flip to be an additional journal spot. And this can be a side tuck or something. Oh, I kind of like that. these might be. Yeah, see, I don't like his head tucked in there. And you could work. But I think I like this color with that better. So I think we'll put that one in there. But we won't put it now because, again, glue. All right, and this side actually needs... I might end up coming back and putting some washi tape on there because the glue seeped through, kind of ripped it a little bit. Ooh, that looks good there. I like that. All right, so this was already made. It's got, I think, some fallish colors placed right back there, a little pocket. I like the reds. This then can be written on and written on. And do I have some? All right, let's just use some of this. Okay, oops, don't stick. All right, I'm gonna put some glue on here. I think this washi tape is okay sticky, not really sticky. And since this is kind of yeah, that's a little better. And then we'll just fold it. Yeah, wonderful. Okay. Like, where'd you go? There you are. Yep. And this was just some index cards that I made. It was a double-sided split personality ones that were very fun to do. And now become right, 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 stick, 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 right, right, right. Beautiful. I love it. Okay. All right. All right, flip there. If I come back and put something here, that could be cute. Ooh, maybe I like that better. But I do like the colors with the leaves on that. Just a little bit big though. Why is that one so much bigger than that one? It's the same page. All right, we're gonna come back to that one. We're gonna see if that'll work. It is a shame. That would really work color-wise. And I don't know if I can trim this down. Let's see if I can trim it down. Just outside of the string that I sewed. I really like the color there. All right, well, let's see. See, that would be cute in there. See, this side is still writable. Boy, it would really go on all three of them, wouldn't it? All right, I think I'm going to put it there, because that is truly writable. That is writable. I like it here. Okay, we're gonna go with there. And reason being, yes, the other side is busy. And I don't know, I think I kind of felt it made it busier by putting something on there. Where since this page is subtle, I think it adds to it, but not adds too much. All right. This one's going to take a minute to stick because I've said it before, when you have these sewn pockets, it's raised up off the paper, so it takes a little bit more for it to stick down. There we go. Okay, I'm just going to leave that in there. Okay, back half. So I put 2 pockets in the front, or a flip in a pocket. Let's see if we can get a, you just might be too big. That could be fun. I don't think that's going to fit in there though. There was one more pocket, I thought. Oh, there we go. I love that. Yes, okay, that'll go there. So this end up being the owl. Once again, kind of busy. Page, page, page. All right, I think I do. I do like that there. I also have this, which opens up, but I don't like it there. Don't like it there. Yeah, I don't like it there. Okay. Yeah, I think we're going to go with it. Okay, so once again, we're going to put glue, and it's going to take a minute to go. And I think this might be the last pocket. I don't think we're going to need to add anything else. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want to see the end of this journal, because if I do the front cover, journal topper on camera, you can get notified when that pops up, or I'll at least show it in a video at some point. And the closures aren't as exciting, putting 2 eyelets in and some ribbon, but the journal topper, that could be fun to do. It's been a while since I did a journal topper video. It's one of those things that I'm not afraid to do, but not as confident to do. But the few that I've done have come out really nice, so I really should be a little bit more confident with myself doing them, but I don't know. Maybe just because there's so much more layered involved than just, you know, a journal card. I mean, because basically that's a journal topper, just not as fancy. You know, another layer behind it, some as I'm saying that could be a fun top for a journal topper. Add something around it. The owl. I say, okay. I do like that owl sticking out of there with the leaf. So, okay, probably keep that there. All right, I forgot I had this too, this over the page thing. So, all right, let's see if I got a huge gap of nothing. That. See, the problem is that it covers both sides, so I don't want to cover a picture like that. You're going to go in there. You have something. Doesn't really add much to it. Okay. Yeah, I'm not feeling it. I think maybe it won't go in here. Oh, I think I like that there, comedy, because the cute. Yeah, I think I like that. Okay, we're gonna keep that in there. All right. And you're gonna go in there, or maybe become a topper. We'll see. I like you in there. Yes, yes, yes. I wonder. Let's. Oh, I think I like that. I like that. I like that. Okay. Let's just add that. It just seemed like it was missing just something a little bit there. Nothing huge. Yeah. Okay. I think you've been open too long. Shoot. There you go. Yeah, I like that. That's cute. Just has a little bit of something to it. Okay. Yeah, and over the page is not going. That's not going. Okay. I love it. All right. Definitely got to be a little bit more chunky, but that is okay. So yeah, if you like the video, a thumbs up would be awesome too. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so we can check out the toppers. Like I said, I might pull that good old owl out of there and make a bigger topper out of him, because he would be kind of cool on the front of a journal. Why don't you let me know in the comments if you think that owl would be a fun topper to go on there. Like I said, something a little bit bigger on there, a little more lace around there. It's got the doily. Yeah, I think it could be fun. Yeah, let me know if you like the owl as a option, or the bench. Yeah, I think the bench is just too dark. I think I like the owl. So yeah, leave a comment below if you like either one of them or should go in a totally different direction. I appreciate your input. It definitely sparks my creativity on things. I do not dismiss comments that get left to me. It's definitely, it can be spark to get me in a different direction or the right direction. All right, that's going to be it for me today. As usual, I appreciate each and every one of you that stops by, and I hope you all have a wonderful and creative day. Bye now.